Located in Miami, Florida, this exceptional waterfront outdoor living space was thoughtfully designed and installed by SHO PROS Florida. At the center stands a beautiful freestanding Azenco R-SHADE insulated roof system, defined by clean architectural lines and a refined modern presence. From the start, precision was essential. The homeowner wanted to preserve a completely unobstructed lake view from inside the home, so the structure was engineered at the exact height to maintain the perfect sightline while blending seamlessly with the residents. The insulated XPS roof panels provide dependable rain protection, keeping the space below dry while helping reduce heat transfer for a cooler, more comfortable environment. Integrated progressive MagnaTrack solar screens provide discreet environmental protection and enhanced privacy without compromising the openness of the design.